Good day, good day. This is Nestor. This is DIY Nestor. This channel is dedicated to those folks that want to do things on their own. If that's something that you're interested in, stay tuned. Today we're going to cover sprinkler systems. Yep. It's a needed item for every household that has grass. And if you're one of those folks like myself that happen to enjoy green grass during the best season when it's supposed to be green, then you will know my dilemma when it comes to this. Yes, broken sprinklers. In this video today, we will talk about how to repair broken sprinkler systems or broken sprinkler heads. And it's annoying because to me, there are two causes to why sprinkler heads actually go bad. One, somebody actually runs over it with their car. So if you have a sprinkler head that's close to a driveway or close to the street and somebody runs into it and you don't have the proper protection around the sprinkler head, then that thing is crushed, right? And then the second cause for failure of a sprinkler head is just age. They are made out of plastic, and unfortunately, after a few years of sun and rain and rust and dirt, eventually they do go bad. First thing what we want to do is we want to get comfortable. So I got these little knee things here. And from the video you could see this whole pipe is broken, and this is a not so normal sprinkler. This is a bush sprinkler specific for bushes. So what we will do is we will basically remove this and then replace it with one of these regular sprinkler heads. So yeah, let's get to it. So what we want to do is we want to expose the there. You can see it right there. See that thing right there? This pipe is actually glued to that area right there. It's an elbow and it was glued in there. So the leak is here. We'll basically chop it here, then put on just a regular sprinkler head. So I have this special PVC pipe cutter that will make our lives a little bit easy. So you could see it's like a vise. All I'm doing is I'm cinching it down and it applies consistent pressure. Breaks completely. Now what we'll do is some sandpaper. This is normally what I do. The purple is the primer, and then the regular cement. You will need that if you want to secure a good PVC connection. Is we will prime this area first. Make sure the glue will adhere to that. We're going to do the inside. We'll go ahead and put our glue on there. Once you put the glue inside there, there's a chemical reaction. What you want to do is you want to put it in, twist it on, and just hold it. So all I'm doing is I'm applying pressure so that it chemically bonds to each other. On there, good. So now we're gonna put on this adapter. Our additional adapter, 3/4 to 1/2. Then we'll put on the fancy sprinkler head. And it's spitting in the right area. And there it's leaking a little bit, so we'll just tighten that up, but it's basically working. Good. Again, what I do is take all the way down to the base. See that PVC pipe? I want to see the connection. So there, you could see. I brought it above the soil. And I purposely do that so no soil goes inside there. So just put on a new head. Cinch it down. Hopefully you got something out of this video on sprinkler head replacements, repairs. If this is something that you like, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. It actually helps the channel. And of course, if this is things that you want to watch in the future, make sure to subscribe and turn on that notification button down there so that you get notified of when the next video comes out for DIY Nester. Hopefully you're doing well. Take care. God bless. And we'll see you soon. Take care.